Welcome back to Chat with Chief, and today we are going to cut this out from SolidWorks utilizing Mastercam to cam this. So as you can see, it's just a square with some shapes. Nothing hard to do, but this is a test my first time using Mastercam. So what I did was I saved this as a step file and imported into Mastercam. Alright, so now you want to open up Mastercam. I don't have the screen record option on this computer that was fielded to us. So from here, you can minimize the screen, drag over the file that you created from SolidWorks, and this is the exact same one here. That's here. From here, you're gonna maximize the screen, click the plus sign, go to dynamic. From dynamic, and X this out. Set my G54 like right here, like I do in Fusion. Name this G54. Green check mark. And now my G54 is set in this corner. From here, I'm going to go to Machine, Mill, and click Default. And then I'm going to minimize this. So I click two paths from view, and then minimize this, and now I'm going to set up my stock. So I'm going to press the square right here, because this is a square, not cylindrical. Click here, click End Selection. From here, I'm going to go here, select here, End Selection. Now, you don't necessarily have to click this, but I just do, kind of what I was taught. Select fixtures. Actually, delete this, excuse me. Rectangular and fixtures. Green check mark, you're now good to go. So we have our block. All we need to do is pocket out these holes. Now, from here, I'm going to go back into Machine. Here are two paths, excuse me. Minimize, and you're going to click Pocket. From Pocket, you're going to pocket out these holes. Here, 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 here. You need to ensure you select the bottom. If you don't, it will not come out right. From here, you select here, the face, and the loop, green check mark. From here, you're now going to set up your tool. So obviously, we're not going to use a 1/2" ball end mill. I'm going to click here, click None, green check mark, click here again. I'm going to click this tool, which is the end mill flat. Green check mark, and now I'm going to click Select Tool from Library. And look for the tool I want to use, which is a 1/4" flat end mill. Double click. I'm going to change the tool number to tool number 1. That way, when you set your tool on top of your part, you know what tool it is. So your cutting parameters matters. So our spindle speed is 4,000 because that's the max for the Haas CNC mill. My feed rate, I'm going to change it to 15 inches a minute. And then from here, you already got your speeds and feeds, your SFM, which if you remember in Fusion, it defaults to this number too. You put at 4,000, but you can change it to whatever you like. All right, from here, you work your way all the way down, just like Fusion, left to right. For Mastercam, it's top to bottom. I'm going to click a Force Tool Change if I have another tool, which I was going to use, but we can just keep this off, actually. Okay, so holder, I'm going to use the default holder, which I'm fine. Cut parameters, stock to leave in walls. I don't want anything to be in the walls, so I'll just do 0.01. I could do just 0 if I wanted to. And now this is my roughing. How much my step over percentage, step over distance. I'm okay with the numbers right here. My entry, I like a helix when it comes down. You can do a ramp, which is that, or off, but I like helix the most. Finishing, so I do have a finish pass. The feed rate is right here. I can override it if I wanted to. I do not like lead-ins and lead-outs, so I take it off. Depth of cut, I usually like to do 2 for depth of cut. Linking parameters, now I like it absolute. Now why, you ask why I like it absolute? This is just what I was taught, and incremental gives you problems, at least for me it does. So now for the depth, right? I'll move this way. I'm gonna go negative 0.5. Press enter. As you can see, it dropped down. That's how much it's gonna cut down, is 1/2 inch. Your home position, don't worry about this. It's good where it's at. Your arc filter tolerance, don't worry about that. Planes is what you set, G54 obviously. Your coolant, you need to have it on, so flood is on. Can text, this is fine. Miscellaneous values, that's fine. Axis combinations fine, rotary axis. We're not using none of this, so green check mark. And now you can see this is your cut paths. So if you want to watch that, you're going to go here and click verify selected operations. It's processing your NCI data, which is your NC code. So now we can watch this. So you're going to click play right there. Obviously, it's not going to cut that fast, but the total time it took would be 38 minutes, which you can turn that down some more if you'd like from your speeds and feeds, etc. So if everything looks good to you here, you're going to click G1, which is going to generate your NC code. I'm sorry, right here. It should be the same, but click here. This is your NC file. Edit if you want. Click green check mark. It wants to save it right here, which is fine. Mastercam practice V4 step, which I named it the step file. I'm gonna click save. It's saving. And now I was told from a buddy to take out the A0, excuse me, because that's gonna cause problems. Now to look for more, A0 period, press enter. There's one more down here. And apparently this was like a factory thing on the Mastercam that was fielded to us. Anyways, go back up, your G code looks good. So I'm gonna take it from here. Click save, or copy, excuse me. Open up my notepad. Control V, throw it in there. Look at everything. I know everything is good because I just cut this out, but make sure that you get the percentage all the way to the bottom, which is the bottom is your ending of your G code. Percentage there too. Save as, and I'm gonna name this the Mastercam practice V4, and then I put today's date, which is the 11th of June 20, or yes, actually today's the 10th, 2026. Desktop or well, actually I can put it on my flash stick, which I just poured it out, but you can put it there. And then from here, you will go to your machine, which is you plug it in, you click list programs, you go to your USB, and then you look for your program, and you click select program. And then if you've already set your G54, which was here at the top left, you just click graphics, press cycle start to watch it, and then once everything looks good, you press memory. Make sure you have your safe start protocol in, and then you'll be good to go. So we're gonna move here onto the machine. I won't show you all how to upload your flash stick, which is your G code. Unless you all want me to show that, please comment in the comment section. I've done that in previous videos. But here you see it. It's gonna start cutting, and you'll see the final result. I did want to do an honorable mention and a shout out to Chief Squibb for the hand on this. This is my first time utilizing Mastercam. I've always used Fusion, but this is actually not too bad compared to Fusion. Just different keys, but similar in many ways, and also because the Army is switching to Mastercam. So this is good exposure, and if you have been fielded the Mastercam, I suggest you learn it. In the event that this is all you have for your shop with your troops, learn it, get better, and happy machining. I'm gonna troop to see if Mastercam works. All right, moment of truth. Let's check it out. Do mine in the corner. This is a test piece. If we can cut it down to size if we needed to. The most important part was to make sure that it worked and everything that was drawn came out exactly like how it was depicted. Not bad. All right. Catch y'all next time.